Today we're going to check out the all new MIOFIVE dual channel dashcam. This has a 4K front and 2K rear camera. I'd seen a lot of chat on dashcam forums about this camera, so I thought we'd have a look for ourselves what the unit's got to offer. It comes with 128 gig internal storage, 5G Wi-Fi. This makes it quick to transfer files, and GPS is standard. This is a pretty feature-packed little unit. All the technical specs look great, so I'm sure this will be a good dashcam. Let's check out what comes in the box. Stay there, box lid. What are you doing? Alright, this seems to be the user manual. Looks like a few electrostatic stickers and a few spare sticky mounts for the front and rear camera. There's also a cloth to wipe your windscreen. Just while I remember, we get heaps of questions about reattaching dash cams on windscreens. You look for the 3M VHB tape, and that's the only one we recommend, and that's usually the only one that comes with decent dash cams. So onto the main unit now. The front looks like it's got a hint of carbon fibre wrapping in the front. On-off power button on the side. The rear's got 2.2 inch screen. The bottom looks like it's got some good ventilation there. The top as well. Mount on the top's got the power in and rear dash cams. The mount's adjustable, and there is a quick release mount that sticks onto the windscreen, so you can take it off easily to plug into a PC if needed. And that's it there. Let's check out the rear camera now. This is a 2K camera that's adjustable. Looks like we've got some heat slots in the top and bottom, and the power in on the side there. Alright, let's have a look what else is here. There should be probably this will be the rear, yep, the rear to front camera cable. Looks like that's a decent length. And on this side we've got 12-volt plug. If I can open the packet. No, it's got the better of me. It's a 12-volt plug. It looks like it's got a little bit of carbon fibre wrap on the top as well. And a PC to unit cable and the 12-volt cable. You'll only need that if you're not using a hardwire kit. We'll move these to the side, and let's check out the hardwire kit. Just put this stuff in here. Okay, right. Okay, so I'm impressed by that. It's got the fuse taps included, and okay, yep. Alright, so we've ground, accessories plug, and constant power. So that will just plug straight into the fuse tap. So it looks like there's all different sizes here. Yep. We'll try and get out the micro 2 fuses for this install. Well, I'm impressed by that. It makes it much easier to install yourself. Basically just plug those fuse taps into the hardwire kit and choose where you're going to install the fuse, and away you go. Plug those in. That's awesome. Really good. Let's install the camera and then go and do the road test. Alright, let's just take a quick look at the app settings and functionality. We kept the majority of the settings as standard. The data overlay, this is what is shown on screen. Resolution, 4K and 2K there. Parking guard set to medium or high. The AI algorithm settings can be toggled on or off, suit yourself. Unit set to kilometers. Everything else is okay there. We'll just have a quick look at the album now. You'll find both channel 1 and 2 recordings here. This unit loop records, so it will overwrite the oldest file when it's full. You can put a filter overlay on the video if you want to. It's so easy to share and download files. It's a very easy app to use, very user friendly. I've absolutely got no issue at all recommending this dash cam. We've used it for about nearly 4 weeks now without any issues at all. Everything works as it should, and it works well. Just some of the features: the super capacitor, so it's got no battery. There's no SD card; it's got internal memory. This unit's 128 gig, so there's plenty of storage room on it. It's got super night vision. Field of view is 140 degrees. Sony Starvis Image sensor, 4K front and 2K rear cameras, a 2.2 inch onboard screen. The app works really well. It's one of the easiest we've used. As I mentioned earlier, really impressed with the hardwire kit. It does make it so simple to install. The playback quality is very good. Number plates are easily read. Certainly a dash cam to check out when you're having a look around. As tested, $329 for the unit and $35 or so for the hardware kit. Thanks for watching, guys.